Are you using a sales lead nurturing system? How's that working for you? Is your sales team trying to build a pipeline for future business with old and irrelevant data? Hi, this is part 4 in my 7-part series, 7 Mistakes Hospitality Sales Executives Make with a Reduced Sales Team. I'm Lynn Wellish. In this article, I will discuss sales lead nurturing systems versus sales lead generation. And let's determine which one is best for you and your team. Do you find that your sales team barely has time to react and return the incoming calls, let alone build a future sales pipeline? I will walk you through the important steps to follow to get the best results. Again, my name is Lynn Wellish. Visit my website, LYNNEWELLISH.com, to see my free tips and treasures. I hope you enjoy the rest of my article, and I look forward to learning.